friends! Let's learn how to make sea animals from Play-Doh.
It's Angie's playroom.
Our first animal is a fish. Let's make him yellow. This is the color yellow. Now we're gonna press down the Play-Doh and use my handy roller to roll it out. Let's press it down. Wow, look! It's a yellow fish! Now let's make a starfish. I like pink. This is the color pink. Let's press the star onto the Play-Doh. Now we remove the excess. This is a pink starfish. So cute. Is this a shark? What color should we make the shark? I think dark blue would be nice. Let's roll out the Play-Doh. Oh, he's gonna look so cool. Let's remove the excess. Take him out of the mold. And there you go, it's a blue shark. He looks so cool. Our next animal is a crab. Let's make the crab red. This is the color red. Let's roll it out. Press the crab into the Play-Doh. Wow, look at this red crab! Great job, friends! Now we have an octopus. A great color for the octopus would be purple. This is the color purple. Let's get our handy roller and roll it out. Press the octopus onto the Play-Doh. Remove the excess. You guys ready? It's a purple octopus! This is a little seahorse. I think orange would be the perfect color. Oh, I can't wait to see how the seahorse looks. Let's press him onto the Play-Doh. Remove the excess. This is an orange seahorse. He looks so cute. Now let's make a jellyfish. And let's use the color pink. Let's roll out the Play-Doh. Make sure you get it nice and even. Okay. And there you have it. It's a pink jellyfish. Whoa, is this a turtle? What color are we going to make the turtle? Let's make the sea turtle green. Look at this sea turtle! Let's make the dolphin blue. Let's grab our blue Play-Doh. Roll it out. Perfect! It's a blue dolphin! Look, it's a sea lion! And what color should we make this sea lion? I think brown would be perfect! Make sure you get it nice and even. Let's push him onto the Play-Doh. Remove the excess. And we did it, friends! It's a brown sea lion! Our next animal is a whale. Let's use the color blue. Let's roll out the Play-Doh. Awesome! We made a blue whale! Great job, friends! We learned so many sea animals and colors today. Until next time!